Hello, it's Elliot J with the Conquer R series. Today we're going to do a one sample t-test. The one sample t-test is used when you want to test a mean from a group against a population mean. So in this current example, what we have are 50 responses from my class saying where their stress levels were between 1 and 10, and a known population mean of 5, which is an average level of stress. So essentially what we want to do is test to see if we have a different level of stress, either higher or lower than the population of 5. So to do this, we're going to do our one sample t-test. Note that everything that is green after the pound sign are just comments that are just used to help. So I send out all of my text and all of my code to everyone that wants it. So essentially, the first thing, there's a pound sign, and the purpose is to run a one sample t-test. In this code below, one sample t-test is the name of the dataset, which you can find right here. These are all the input values from all of the students. I exported this from Excel. So first I put this into Excel and saved it as a CSV file. And from CSV, you can easily import it into R. And 5 is the null hypothesis. 5 is what we expect the population mean to be, and it's what we are using as kind of a benchmark to test against to see if we are different than a stress level of 5. So to do this, the t-test function is just t.test, and then after that, you use parentheses and you write the name of your data set. In our case, the name of our data set is one sample t-test. After you write the name of your dataset, you put a $sign, and after your $sign, you put the dependent variable. In this case, it's stress, and then a comma, and then mu, which is the null hypothesis essentially, and you can put that to whatever your null hypothesis is. In this case, it's 5. So now let's run and see what we have. We have a t of over 4. And a p-value less than 0.001. So these are significant findings that would support the alternative hypothesis that the group mean is not equal to 5. In fact, when you look at the 95% confidence interval, it suggested that the group mean is between 5.6 and 6.97, with the sample mean being 6.32. And this is how you run a one sample t-test using R and RStudio. Thanks for watching.